Good morning, everybody. Today is Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas every day. We are getting ready to go to the gym. I'm just going to go and walk the track. And I'm looking at my hair right now because the driver just called and said that we have 10 minutes and he will be here. He said that he is en route too. So I am going to grab my backpack with my waters, my keys, my headphones, because I listen to murder podcasts while I'm walking, and real healthy stuff. And I'm going to grab my sweatshirt. Ronnie's got to get his jacket on. You ready to go to the gym, babe?
Oh, yeah.
So,
I really am.
I just had a couple of eggs, and you've probably seen I fry the eggs, like scramble them, and then I throw a flour tortilla on top, and then I flip it, and then I put a little cheese in the middle, which I just put a slice of cheese, like, you know, Kraft cheese, and then I put it out on a plate, and I roll it up and eat it. It's substantial enough that it holds me until lunchtime, and when I get home, I had a cup of coffee with my peppermint mocha, zero sugar creamer this morning. And Ronnie's had coffee this morning. Have you had enough coffee today to go to the gym?
I think there's enough coffee to do me for a couple hours.
I hope so. Oh my gosh, I hope so. We might need to take the pot with us. We are back home. We had a very successful walk today at the gym, and we was late getting home because I do not know why, but they decided, well, dispatcher, whoever runs the bus, decided to take someone else home this time instead of us first.
Well, we had a wonderful ride, didn't we?
We had a long ride. We actually had to ride almost to Cordova, and we was out in Pritchard. So, yeah, if you're familiar with West Virginia and this area, then you know what I'm talking about. So that's what we did, but we always make fun of everything around us and have a good time, don't we?
Oh, we sure do, baby.
Anyhow, we are home, and we are having a cup of hot tea. The oven is preheating because I'm going to make pizza for lunch today. And we're going to have leftovers from yesterday. We're going to have a weird combination of stuff, but we're going to do it.
Anybody ever ate pizza?
Pizza, mashed potatoes, and pork chops. It's the 3 Ps today.
If that don't fill you up, folks, nothing will.
Anyhow, that's what we're doing. And right now I'm having the B, which is banana bread that was left over in the fridge. And I'm having some of it. We are going to the grocery store, but we're not going until Wednesday. So we have to get through today and tomorrow, but we've got food, but we just wanted to utilize what we had already made that was in the refrigerator. But anyways, it is a very cold day today. It got in the 20s last night. Yeah, it's sunny. And had a good time at the gym, and now I'm home and I have to do some housework. I definitely have to wash some clothes and get on the ball with some things around here. So anyhow, hopefully this Vlogmas isn't too boring for you guys, and you guys get some kind of inspiration out of it. But this is really, honestly, a typical day, a typical Monday. So I am calling it a day today. I got a lot of things done. We had supper, and then I washed a load of clothes. I also washed all the dishes. I took out the garbages, you know, the typical household stuff. The day kind of got away from me because my husband, he knows me best. I love a good documentary. He turned it on and I got lost in time. And anyways, it kind of sucked up my day just a little bit. But you know what? I had a good day today. Very good day. Very good time with my friends at the gym. And just enjoyed the ride home because we ended up having to go a lot further than anticipated. We thought we would get home before this other person, but you know what? We got to ride around in the country. I got to see a part of West Virginia I don't think I've ever been to, and it was so nice. And you can see my lights in the background. I've got the lights on, I got the tree on, I got everything on, and Ronnie is over visiting his dad for a little bit. And I'm waiting for my clothes to get done in the dryer. I'm just going to quickly fold those. And I'm going to get me a hot bath. I'm going to get in the bed. And I'm going to get up early tomorrow and just start my day. Because I have a whole list. Actually, probably when I get upstairs, I will probably take my bath, get into the bed. And then I will make a to-do list. Starting with tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Then Wednesday, I go grocery shopping. And Thursday, I know I will be doing some food prep for my party, which is Monday. Friday, I will be going to Appalachian Christmas Village, which I'm totally looking forward to. And then that gives me Saturday and Sunday to continue to prep for my party. I know I have a girlfriend that's bringing me 4 ginormous cases of water to the house that I'm going to have to put away in there. So tomorrow, I want to get my floor all swept and mopped. And maybe I can film some of that for you guys. And hopefully it'll inspire and motivate you guys. I will get the words out. My tongue is numb because I ate a handful of cinnamon bears and they were really spicy this time. Anyhow, we're going to enjoy the evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's kind of short and sweet, but it is a typical Monday for us, and we do have a lot of holiday things coming up. I've got recipes coming your way, so stay with me. It's all just a matter of time, and I get the ball rolling around here, and I honestly, I'm just so excited because I'm going to be making some cookies and cheese balls and so many different things. And I'm going to be setting up my dining room here for my party. And I'm going to make up a hot chocolate bar, which is going to be really cute. I've got ideas for it. So yes, I'm so excited. I want to take you guys along our holiday journey for Vlogmas, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.